In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI video generator. We'll walk through the entire process inside Canva, step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into an AI-generated video clip you can use in your designs. First, open Canva and head into any design where you'd like to add a video. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the usual sidebar with elements, uploads, text, and so on. Look for the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its extra tools, including the AI features. Once the Apps panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type Magic Media. This is Canva's built-in AI media generator. As you start typing, you should see Magic Media appear in the results below. When you see Magic Media in the list, click on it to open the tool. This will bring up a new panel or window inside Canva dedicated to AI-generated content. If you're using it for the first time, you might be asked to accept some terms or permissions. Just review those and continue. Inside the Magic Media panel, you might see different options for generating content, such as images or videos. Make sure you're in the Magic Media section and then look for the option specifically labeled Videos. Click on Videos so Canva knows you want to generate moving footage, not just still images. Now you'll see a text box where you can type your prompts. This is where you describe the video you want Canva to create. Try to be as specific and visual as possible. For example, instead of just writing beach, you might type something like short looping video of gentle waves on a tropical beach at sunset. Soft warm lighting. The clearer your description, the better the result. After you've typed in your prompt and you're happy with the description, look for the button that says Generate Video. Click on Generate Video and Canva will start processing your request. This can take a little bit of time, depending on the complexity of the prompt and your internet speed, so be patient and let it finish. Once the video is generated, you'll see the result appear in the panel. From there, you can drag it directly onto your design, resize it, trim it, or duplicate it just like any other video asset in Canva. And that's all you need to start creating AI-generated videos with Canva's Magic Media tool.